For the repair of Hashin electric engine control/safety units, the following procedures were necessary. Replacement of various electronic components and general cleanup of the units. For testing, we use 24-volt DC power supply. When we turn on the power supply, the unit reacts accordingly, and we can see the LEDs lighting up. No further testing is possible due to lack of additional units. It is now clear that both engine control/safety units are working properly and they are ready to be delivered to the customer.